If you're encountering the Xbox error code 807b01f7, try these solutions to resolve the issue. Solution 1. Check Xbox status 1. Visit the official Xbox website or check the Xbox status page to see if there are any outages or service disruptions. 2. If services are down, wait until they are restored and try again. Solution 2. Test your Xbox Live connection. 1. Press the Xbox button on your controller and go to the Settings menu. Select Network Settings, then choose Test Xbox Live Connection. 3. Follow the on-screen prompts to resolve any connection issues detected. Solution 3. Delete Xbox profile and download it again. 1. Press the Xbox button to open the guide. 2. Go to Settings, All Settings and Account, and then remove accounts. 3. Select your account and delete it. 4. Restart your Xbox and download the profile again by selecting Add New. Solution 4. Clear System Cache. On Xbox One, press the Xbox button on your controller and go to Settings. 2nd, select System, then Storage. 3. Highlight your storage device and press Y on your controller. 4. Choose Clear System Cache and restart your Xbox.